summer's biggest shows. It has so many people craving a true Chicago delicacy, the Italian beef sandwich.
It's got to be an Italian roll from Chicago, made in Chicago.
You need a roll that can handle that.
Yeah.
What do you suggest?
There's a famous bakery in Chicago, I believe it's called Turano Bakery.
We have Turano bread today.
Very important component
Yes.
for the Italian beef specifically.
Very Turano bread.
Here in Berwyn today because Tony on Facebook says Turano French bread makes the best Italian beef.
So you get a little bit of the crunchiness. It's still light on the inside, but the key is it doesn't fall apart.
It didn't, and I like heavy au jus on this, and you can see it didn't even bleed through here.
Can you hear it?
And of course, one of the secrets is having the proper bread. You cannot put this on a hot dog bun.
Yeah, so at Buona, we get Turano bread fresh every single day.
Here's to that.
Oh my God.
You see that? And you see
that drip too. I'm gonna cry.
It's really good.